Hello there. I just want to do a very quick flip through these folders that I've made. They are for these Zox straps. I'm wearing one right here that come in these little plastic pouches, and they are made, my folders are made to fit the straps. I'll go through these 5 folders one by one, but very quickly. They are essentially identical. This is the smallest one of them. It measures 24 by 14 and is, I think, 3 centimeters wide. And you open it with this little ribbon, and inside there are 3 pouches per page, and you can fit the Zox strap with the accompanying card in these pouches. So it just is plain, pretty plain, made from wallpaper. Comes with a little envelope to stick something in here at the back. There are a couple of tucks here for things. I mean, probably even fit the whole thing in here. So that's number one. It's been I've made a little book plate here, and including the logo that I've cut from one of those packages, and also has the logo there. That's number one. The next one is bigger, again closed with a ribbon, also comes with the logo here. The back is decorated with lace, and inside we have a big pocket there. Then there are 4 pockets here per page. Bit harder to get the thing in, but it does work. And this folder has 10 pages in total, which means there are 120 of these pockets there. I just also want to point out that these are also pockets here that you can put something in. And there's a little pocket at the end. I've stuck a little envelope in there just for the fun of it. The next folder is identical in size. It's 24 by 14. It's 5 centimeters here. Got a little bit of decoration up there, the Zox logo there. This time it's closed with an elastic band. And again, we've got a pocket here. There's space here to kind of maybe write your own name or something like that. And again, we've got 120 pockets in total, a variety of nice designer paper in here. This is sturdy cardstock. And a couple of pockets here. There's something there, and another bigger pocket here. If I can get in there. There we are. And number 4 is similarly made, again with a elastic band here, with a bit of a slightly more vintagey feel with this book plate. Again, we've got a big pouch there, a little name tag here, 120 pouches in total. This is wallpaper. I love this wallpaper with those books. I think that's actually really fun. And an envelope at the back here, which also has space to tuck something there, like this. And finally, number 5. This is closing slightly different. I've made a little tassel here. This is an elastic band attached there, And again, I've incorporated the logo. And this time I've gone for a black and white theme. We've got a pouch here, which is actually quite hard to see and needs to be used a little bit more so that it's easier to use. And then there are the usual pouches here. Oh, I haven't yet made the little indents. I'm going to have to do that. And this one actually has 4 signatures, or 8 pages if you want, which means there are 96 pockets here in this one. There's a tuck spot here and a larger pocket here. All of these are going to go into my Etsy store, and hopefully there are some Zox fans out there who would like this and can use this. Thank you for watching. Bye.